Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're having an amazing time here. Our focus today is on how to style braids using a bandana versus how to make a face mask using a bandana. Yes, you heard me right. It can be knotless braids, box braids, or even fox locks, okay? We are going to be using a bandana in a quick and simple way to make a face mask. Okay, COVID-19 bye bye. Okay, so let's do this, but before we do that, tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite, okay? The hairstyle or the face mask, okay? And guys, remember to check out my other uploads on hair and lots of fun, okay? Let's get into it. Make sure your hair is held up like this. That you can actually check out my upload on different braids hairstyles without a bandana, okay? But for this one we are using the bandana, and here is where the bandana comes in. Hold up your bandana like that or place it somewhere, then fold it like that, then again like that. With your hair held up like this, place it like that, like that, then tie a knot right there. Then another knot. This time you have to fold just one of the sides like that, so that you can have this one like this, and this one you can make it like a bow tie. Okay, let's do that again. One side, stretch this out and make it like a bow tie kind of thing. We need a flower and a bow tie in it. Good. Our aim is to get the flower just like this one. Then see how it looks on this side, another side. You fold this up, not too much, just the right, up to the right place. You don't have to cover the whole ear. That held up, bring it to the front like that. You can just pick the hair the way it is. I told you can check out that video. It is much easier when you're doing the hairstyles alone. So you take this hair and place it onto the head in form of like a donut, or we want to tire. Something round. Like that. So easy. looks great. Okay, told you about the butter and the flour. Amazingly, just like that. Okay, now next we are going to use another bandana to make. You can use the same bandana, but you can use another bandana to make a face mask. A face mask. Okay, we must protect ourselves against the pandemic. Let's do this. Okay, place it on a surface. So place it on a flat surface. Place it on a flat surface. Fold one side like that. The other one the same towards the center. Then again we need another fold. We don't want it too large. Like that. And then the other one just a little bit. That. The next thing that you need is some hair ties or rubber bands. Place it there. And the other one right there. Like that. Then pull it towards the center. You see? Then the other one towards the center. Then place this one inside the other one. Tuck it in. So there goes our face mask. Very simple and easy. You can actually add other bands to this side and this side if it's too short for you, but I think this is suitable because you can adjust this one. I believe it's okay like that. You see, you can actually adjust it on both sides. Very simple way to make a homemade bandana. Simple and quick way to make a bandana face mask. And so guys, right now we are heading to my other upload. And remember to subscribe so that when I upload any amazing content, you are the first one to know about it, okay? Remember to talk to me in the comment section, and you can also check me out on my social media platforms, which are in the description.